Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Give more than you take. Love more than you hate. Thank you for coming to my student-led conference. Today I will tell about my all teaching and learning in this class. As you know, our central theme is separation of substances. Now we start from science. In science, we have studied a chapter, separation of substances, in which I learned to separate many substances from a mixture. Now I will do a demonstration of an experiment. In this, I have mixed some sand in this water, and then I will add some water to it.
कैप खोलो, कैप खुलेगी वो रेड वाली.
Now I will pour this muddy water through this filter paper, and now you can see clear water is separated from mixture of muddy water. Now we will perform one more experiment in which I will mix these iron filling in this sand, and I will mix it. Now I will use a magnet, as iron has a magnetic property, so it will got into magnet. Now we come to maths. In maths, you have to pick a chit from this bowl. It's square. 12 is a whole number with positive integer. Integers are new collection of numbers as minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. This is also a positive integer, and integers are also of two types: positive integer and negative integer. In Sanskrit, we studied in SST, we studied a chapter early cities. To make our concept strong, we have designed ornaments and artifacts with clay that were found during excavation. We have
What
integrated.
is this?
This is small necklace.
This one?
This one is earring.
Earring. Nice, very good.
We have integrated social science with English, so we have made an album on Harappan civilization.
Why you don't put some pictures? Dresses. What?
We also wrote a diary entry in topic of visit a historical monument in a holiday, which enhanced my speaking, listening, writing and reading skill, and it also enhanced my creativity and imagination. हमने हिंदी में एक पाठ पढ़ा जिसका नाम है रहस्य कोई गया. उसमें एक पिता बहुत परेशान था. उसके बेटे ने उसकी समस्या दूर करी और एक रहस्य का पर्दाफाश किया. उसी तरीके से मैंने प्रकृति का रहस्य खोला और उसी को मैंने कॉमिक शिप के माध्यम से प्रस्तुत किया है. इस गतिविधि को करते हुए मेरे 4 कौशलों का भाषाई कौशलों का विकास हुआ है, जो है सुनना, बोलना, लिखना और पढ़ना। इन गतिविधियों को करते हुए मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया। संस्कृत जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हमारा SSLC का विषय सेपरेशन ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस है, उसी के आधार पर मैंने ये शब्दकोश की गतिविधि करी है। उसमें मैंने एक तरफ ये सारे के सारे शब्दकोश एकत्रित करके अलग अलग तरह के एकत्रित करके एक बादल में लिखे हैं और उनको उनकी तालिका में अलग अलग करके भरा है। जैसा कि आपको पता है संस्कृत सभी भाषाओं की जननी है। इस गतिविधि को करते हुए मैंने नए शब्द सीखे और मैं इन शब्दों को इस कक्षा और या फिर अगली कक्षाओं में वाक्य बनाने में प्रयोग कर सकता हूँ। अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछूँगी। क्या आपको पता है अश्व को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? आम्रम,
आम,
द्राक्षाफलम,
अनार,
Now we come to computer. In computer we have made an algorithm on figuration. As our theme is separation of substances.
Yes.
Thank you for coming to my SLC gratitude.
thank you. Very good, very nice.